Okay, stop what you're doing. It's time to take a stretch break. Yeah, you too, Justin. You've been sitting for a few hours now. It's time to stretch those muscles. Don't worry, it's not going to take more than a minute. Just follow along. Let's start with your upper body. Place your hands to the side of your head. You're going to bring your elbows pointing outward and then bring them in so that they're pointing forward. You don't have to touch your elbows together, but this is a great exercise if you're working, if you're always on your phone, or if you're sitting most of the day. It targets those postural muscles, so if you have forward shoulders, this could help too. Now, it's always important that you breathe throughout this routine. We're inhaling through our nose and exhaling slowly through our mouth. Alright, now let's focus on our hamstrings. We sit on them literally all day long. They become tight. Straighten that leg, heel to the ground, toes pointing up, and you're ever so slightly gonna lean forward. Keep that spine nice and straight. You really don't have to lean forward too much. You're gonna feel it immediately. Okay, we're gonna do the other leg. Now, of course, you can do this for as long as you want. I'm making it a little shorter just for the demonstration. And again, your breathing is very important for every exercise, especially stretches and mobility. And that's it. If you can stand up for a few minutes, that would be great. Walk around the house or the office, and I hope this helps.